Hello students, thermal properties of matter. Heat, which produces the sensation of hotness or coldness. So, heat is a form of energy. Heat is energy only. Its unit joule. Energy is unit only. Its CGS unit is calorie. Heat is generally expressed in temperature. 1 calorie is the amount of heat required to rise temperature of 1 gram substance by 1 degree centigrade. 1 calorie is the amount of heat required to raise temperature of 1 gram by 1 degree centigrade. 1 gram substance by 1 degree centigrade. 1 calorie, 1 degree, 1 gram. Next, temperature, measurement of hotness or coldness of an object. We know it is measured in Kelvin in SI system. In other systems, degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit. This degree centigrade is also said as Celsius. Thermometric, study of measurement of temperature. Thermometry means study of measurement of temperature. Device used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Next, thermal expansion. Increment in size of object due to heating, called thermal expansion. Thermal expansion may be lengthwise, area-wise, volume-wise. If length increases through heat, it is called linear expansion. Area increases, superficial expansion. Volume increases, cubical expansion. Length linear, area superficial, volume cubical. Once again, thermal expansion, increment in size of object due to heating. By heat, lengthwise increase, linear expansion. Area-wise increase, superficial expansion. Volume-wise increase, cubical expansion. Next definition, specific heat. Amount of heat required to increase temperature. Specific heat, amount of heat required to increase temperature of unit mass of substance by 1 degree centigrade. Specific heat symbol C equal to delta Q by mass into delta T. Delta Q is the heat required, change of heat. Delta T is rise in temperature, change in temperature. Delta Q, that is temperature, means joule by mass kg, delta T temperature Kelvin, that is joule per kg Kelvin is the unit. Next, latent heat. Heat required to change the state of substance without changing its temperature. Look carefully, heat to be absorbed, but there should not be 1 degree centigrade increase in its temperature. Temperature should not be increased, but the state should be changed. For example, ice melts without increase of its temperature. That is latent heat. Latent heat, L equal to delta Q by mass. Delta Q is heat required, mass M is mass, unit heat by mass G, joule per kg. Solid to liquid, latent heat of fusion we will call. Liquid to vapor, latent heat of vaporization. Now answer. Which is the form of energy? Super. Heat is the form of energy. What is the unit of heat? Wonderful. Joule. CGS unit? Good. Calorie. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram substance by 1 degree centigrade is, wow, 1 calorie. Increase due to heating is called super thermal expansion. Lengthwise, good, linear expansion. Area wise, wow, superficial expansion. Volume wise, great, cubical expansion. Next one. Specific heat C equal to, great, delta Q by M into delta T. What is delta Q here? Super heat required. Delta T, great, rise in temperature. Next, heat needed to change the state of substance without changing its temperature is, beautiful, latent heat, indicated by super L. L equal to, great, delta Q by M. Its unit is, wonderful, joule by kg, joule per kg. Solid to liquid, wow, latent heat of fusion. Liquid to vapor, great, latent heat of vaporization. Now pause the video, start to fill the blanks as it is. Best of luck.